There is no question of any chip being there. Hot stepped to at 220 degrees for this hologram which is fixed itself is a proof at that temperature that nobody can just do and temper what he wants. Then you have a unique laser code engraved, then IND legend as well. All these are how they are fixed, including the reflective property, has been done after deliberating, after thinking properly as to what can be done in a high security registration plate, number plate.
भरमसाट 5 पट 10 पट तालावा वेल्यान वाद जाल्ल्यान होल्डार दवरिल्लो नवो मोटर वाहन कायदो गोंयांत खंय गुजराताच्या मॉडेलाचेर जानेरासावन चालीक लागतलो. नव्या केंद्रीय कायद्यांत वाडयल्ल्यो फायनी गुजरातान कापिल्ल्यो.
We more or less the new Motor Vehicle Act, we copied the Gujarat model. In Gujarat, they felt certain fines were very steep, it will affect the common man. And I had sat long ago with them when the thing was about to be implemented. More or less, I have also followed the Gujarat model, which many other states also have followed, because they said Gujarat led from the front. In fact, they were blamed for not collecting that many fines. But there are certain handicaps which we have, and there are certain changes which we are not entitled to do, like drunken driving. I will give only one example. Fine is straight away from 1,000 rupees or 500 rupees, it has moved to 10,000. That we don't have the right, states don't have the right to modify that. Then driving without license, a similar thing. There are several key ingredients in the new Motor Vehicle Act amendment, where the fines as mandated by centre, we cannot change, they will remain the same. But wherever it has been possible to lower it, because looking at the practicality, we have lowered it. I want to make this clear. And by no means we will stop implementing the new fines from January.
HSRP नंबर प्लेटी रिपीट मारूनच बसोवंक जाय.
That is illegal. If they are doing it, it is illegal. Because you can't fix this number plate with screws. I want to make it very clear. It has to be riveted, because it is a system where easily it should not be removed unless you break the whole number plate. Otherwise, what's the use of putting a HSRP plate?
HSRP नंबर प्लेट कशी बरी ताचेर डेमोय दाखयलो.
To make the registration plate uniform for different vehicles so that new technologies like laser identification recognition meter can be introduced at a later stage. In India, if this project laser identification is introduced, these HSRP can be easily readable, traceable. Right now we don't have the monitoring system like Dubai and other countries have, but this is an initial stage. Then this number plate cannot be easily removed because no screws, nut bolts are there. This is a snap lock. Only if you get a gas cutter or something hardware, it is not going to get easily pulled off.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर महेश गाडी आनी सिनियर व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट ओमकार फळारी.